I got a question for all my people from Trinidad, Barbados, Guyana, the Virgin Islands, all them places there. Y'all never get upset? Y'all never get mad? It's just Jamaicans that get upset, huh? Every time I listen to a soca song, this shit is so happy. I be smiling. Y'all don't got no mad songs? No soca gunman tunes? Matter of fact, alright, not even gunman tunes, because we ain't even gonna promote no violence. Y'all don't got no soca diss tracks? All the artists are just friends. Somebody's lying. Somebody's lying. There gotta be some soca diss tracks out there. I wine with your girl last night. Your girl say I wine better than you. We could get it popping right now. Matter of fact, 2024, I want to hear Michelle Montano drop a diss track, The Voice. Y'all are not happy.